Hi everybody, today we're looking at Module 1, Lesson 14. I can skip count objects and models to build fluency with multiplication facts using units of 4. Go ahead and pause your screen and practice skip counting by 2s. Pause your screen and practice skip counting by 3s. Okay, write a multiplication sentence and a division sentence for the tape diagram below. So let's think about what we've got going on here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. We have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 in each group. So 5 groups of 2 equals 10. I'm sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I knew it was 10, so I got ahead of myself there. 10. All right, so if we make a division equation, we say, okay, if I have 10 total, and I divide it into 5 equal groups, I will get 2 in each group. Okay, same directions here. Write a multiplication sentence and a division sentence for the tape diagram below. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. I have 3 in each group. So 3, 6, 9, 12. And if I want to think of it as a division sentence, I think I have 12 all together. If I divide it into 4 groups, I will get 3 in each group. I could also say if I had 12 all together and I divide it by putting 3 in each group, that will give me 4 groups. Either one of these is correct. They're both correct. Okay, same directions. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups with 2 in each group gives me 2, 4, 6, 8. So that means that if I have 8 total and I divide them into 4 groups, I will get 2 in each group. Or I could say if I have 8 total and I divide them by putting 2 in each group, I will get 4 groups. Both correct. Okay, same directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups. 3 in each group. So when I count those by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So I have 18 total. My division equation is if I have 18 total and I divide them into 6 groups, I'll get 3 in each group. Or I could say if I have 18 total and I put 3 per group, it will give me 6 groups. Both are correct. Jackie buys 21 pizzas for a party. She places 3 pizzas on each table. How many tables are there? Okay, so what I do know is that one table holds 3 pieces of pizza, right? And I need to figure out how many tables there are all together. So I just have to keep drawing tables of 3 until I get to 21. So let's draw another table and put 3 more pieces of pizza. That gives me 6. Another table with 3 more pieces gives me 9. Another table with 3 more pieces gives me 12. I still got to get to 21. 3 more pieces, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, I got to 21. So let's think about what I just did. I knew that there were 21 pizzas all together, and I knew that she put 3 per table. So I had to figure out how many tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives me 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Okay, now when we look at this table, we're thinking of it like a big array. So the first row of the array shows one group of 4. So that's why it says 1 times 4 equals 4. And then if we add on another row, that gives me 2 groups of 4. That makes 8. Now if we add on the third row, that gives me 3 groups of 4, and that makes 12. If we add on the fourth row, that gives me 4 times 4, and that makes 16. Adding on a fifth row gives me 5 times 4, and that makes 20. Adding on a sixth row gives me 6 times 4, and that makes 24. So hopefully you can see the pattern. If I were to keep going, I would have 7 times 4, 8 times 4, 9 times 4, all the way to 10 times 4. Okay, if I were to draw a tape diagram that represents 7 times 4, I think of that like 7 groups of 4, okay? So remember, my tape diagram has my separate sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has 7 groups, and it has 4 in each group. Whoop. That little guy is supposed to be over here. 4 in each group. So if I want to solve this, if I want to do 7 times 4, I'm going to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 7 times 4 equals 28. Okay, now it's your turn to try the problem set.